With Thanksgiving behind us, many of us are focused on getting our holiday shopping out of the way. And if you're looking for a great idea for someone who loves to cook, or that person who has to cook and is looking for ways to make their time in the kitchen easier, consider this. Air fryers are one of this year's most requested kitchen appliances. We love that they're versatile and energy efficient, but what's really great about them is that they can help create healthier meals easier and faster. Plus, they're available in lots of brands and sizes. To make this holiday season even better, we've come up with a brand new cookbook that features some of the best air fryer recipes you'll ever try. This baby is packed with more than 130 easy recipes. It has everything from appetizers and main courses to side dishes and even decadent desserts. As a matter of fact, why not start out with what we call our make your own potato skins bar recipe? It's perfect for a football watching kind of day or for serving when friends stop by. To get the recipe or to enter the Ultimate Air Fryer Cookbook giveaway, where you might win a signed copy of the cookbook, simply check out our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found the perfect holiday gift way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.